You don't need a spaceship to visit another planet. These 10 places on Earth look so alien, scientists and astronauts train here before going to space. Number 7 has a lake that will kill you in minutes. Let's go. Number 1, Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. This is the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, one of the hottest, lowest, most hostile places on Earth. Temperatures regularly hit 50 degrees Celsius. The ground is covered in sulfur crystals in yellow, green, and orange, and it sits on an active volcanic rift where the Earth's crust is literally being torn apart. NASA has used this place to test equipment for future Mars missions because the terrain and chemistry are close to what rovers find there. There's also a lava lake here that has been continuously active for over 100 years, one of only a handful on the planet. Number 2, Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. This is the largest salt flat on Earth, over 10,000 square kilometers, blinding white, salt in the Bolivian Andes. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water turns the entire surface into a perfect mirror, making it nearly impossible to tell where the ground ends and the sky begins. Pilots have used it to calibrate satellites because it's so flat and reflective. Underneath the salt crust sits one of the largest lithium reserves on the planet, the same metal in your phone battery. Number 3, Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra is an island so isolated. Over 3,000 species here exist nowhere else on Earth, that scientists call it the most alien-looking place on the planet. The dragon's blood trees look like something out of a science fiction film, with umbrella-shaped canopies designed to trap fog and moisture in the desert air. The island split off from mainland Africa millions of years ago, which is why evolution here took a completely different path. Even the flowers look wrong. The desert rose grows swollen, bulbous trunks that look almost inflated. Number 4, Pamukkale, Turkey. Pamukkale means cotton castle in Turkish, and once you see it, you'll understand why. These are terraced pools formed over thousands of years by calcium-rich hot springs flowing down a hillside, leaving behind bright white travertine formations. The water inside the pools is naturally warm, and people have been bathing here since Roman times. There's an entire ancient city, Hierapolis, built right above it. From a distance, it genuinely looks like a snow-covered mountain, until you get close and realize it's mineral rock, not ice. Number 5, Fly Geyser, Nevada, USA. Fly Geyser wasn't made by nature alone. It was created by accident in the 1960s when a geothermal energy company drilled a test well and hit a pocket of scalding hot water. The well was never sealed properly, and over decades, minerals built up into this bizarre, constantly growing mound covered in red and green algae, spraying hot water into the air non-stop, every single day for over 50 years. It sits on private land in the Nevada desert and is almost never open to the public. Most footage you'll ever see of it is from a distance. Number 6, Wadi Rum, Jordan. Wadi Rum is a desert valley in Jordan so convincingly Martian that it's been used as the actual filming location for Mars in movies like The Martian and Prometheus. The red sandstone mountains rise straight out of the sand, carved by wind and flash floods over millions of years. Bedouin communities have lived here for thousands of years, navigating by stars in a landscape with almost zero light pollution. NASA has even studied the sand dunes here to understand how similar dunes form on Mars. Number 7. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This is Lake Natron, and it can kill you. The lake's water reaches extremely high alkalinity, similar to ammonia, caused by volcanic minerals draining into it from a nearby volcano. The water is so caustic it calcifies and mummifies animals that touch it, preserving their bodies almost perfectly. The blood-red color comes from salt-loving microorganisms that thrive in the toxic conditions. And yet, flamingos actually breed here by the hundreds of thousands, because the same conditions that kill most life keep their predators away. Number 8. Zhangye Danxia landform, China. These rainbow mountains in Gansu province, China, took over 24 million years to form. Layers of sandstone and mineral deposits, red iron, yellow sulfur, green copper were compressed and folded by tectonic plate movement, then exposed by weathering to reveal this striped, almost painted landscape. It's one of the few places on Earth where you can literally see millions of years of geological history stacked in visible layers, colored like something painted by hand rather than shaped by nature. Number 9. Vatnajökull Ice Caves, Iceland. Beneath Europe's largest glacier lies a network of ice caves that only exist for a few months each winter, before they melt and reform completely differently the following year. The deep blue color comes from centuries of compressed ice that has squeezed all the air bubbles out, so it absorbs every color of light except blue. Walking inside feels like standing inside a frozen alien structure, and it's incredibly dangerous, since the caves can collapse without warning as the ice shifts. Number 10. Deadvlei, Namibia. Deadvlei sits inside the Namib Desert, home to some of the tallest sand dunes on Earth. Centuries ago, this was a lush marshland with camel thorn trees. Then the climate shifted, the river that fed it dried up, and the trees died. But the desert air is so dry that instead of rotting, the dead trees simply turned black and mummified in place, standing frozen against orange dunes and a blinding white clay floor. Some of these skeletal trees are estimated to be over 700 years old, and because nothing decomposes here, they may never fall down. If you had to visit just one of these places, which one would you pick? Tell me in the comments. And if this took you to another planet for 10 minutes, subscribe. I post one of these every week.